Goat. Dog. Duck. Bear. Monkey. Ostrich. Rabbit. Koala. Cat. Flamingo. Lion. Cockroaches, resilient and highly adaptable insects known for their survival prowess in diverse environments. What sets cockroaches apart from other animals is their ability to withstand extreme conditions, including radiation exposure and extended periods without food or water. Their exceptional resistance to various toxins and their remarkable capacity to molt, regenerate limbs, and adjust to changing circumstances make them exemplars of adaptability and endurance in the animal kingdom, often outlasting many other species over millions of years.